How to post Snapchat Spotlight. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Snapchat. Now at the bottom right corner, click on Spotlight icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the plus icon. Now click on Upload a video or Create. Now select any video, tap on OK, tap on Preview. Now click on Send to. You can also toggle Share anonymously and tap on Send. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question, want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.